We have the Mercedes Benz star here in the front. I really love it, iconic. As soon as you swipe, they pop out, and these are also illuminated. We have the full red interior, cherry interior, which I'm a huge fan of. Oh, I would die for a Kuschelkissen. These are the best. Looks really cool and impressive. It's super comfortable. You don't even feel like driving above 200 kph here. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the 2022 model Mercedes Benz S-Class, but not a normal one. Here we have the hybrid S580E version of the S-Class, and in today's video I will be doing a walk around, interior walk and a drive, and telling you more about the 580E and why it's the best Mercedes Benz S-Class daily driver. So let's get on and talk about the 580 in specific. First of all guys, don't get irritated, okay? The 580 is the only V8 option coming with the S-Class, because the 500 is also an in-row 6-cylinder. But the 580E hybrid is also a 6-cylinder. It's the in-row 6 with the hybrid system. Yeah, it kind of confused me a lot guys, because why not name it 500E then instead of 580E, because the 580 is the V8. But anyways, as you guys know, there are multiple options coming with the S-Class. You can go for the 350, the 400, 450, the 500, which are all 6-cylinder engines, and we have the 580, which is the V8. The 580E is the in-row 6-cylinder hybrid version. It's not a V8, keep that in mind. The base price for this car right in front of us is 140,000 euros, and this is the most expensive S-Class, base S-Class you can buy from factory. Let's talk about the numbers. We have the 6-cylinder producing 367 horsepower, and then we have the hybrid system giving us another output of 150 horsepower, making this extremely powerful. We'll be also demonstrating you that when we drive it on the Autobahn, okay? So let's get on. We will be doing a quick tour of the exterior, and then we will be doing a quick tour of the interior and then drive off, okay? Let's go. Let's talk about the exterior paint. This one is called Selenite Grey Magno, and it looks absolutely beautiful both on the EQS and S-Class. We have the AMG line option on this car as well as no night package. We have the full chrome, which makes the car look so elegant. We have the Mercedes Benz star here in the front. I really love it, iconic. The digital headlight unit, it's optional, but it's the best. We have the AMG line front bumper, everything here finished in chrome. This is the long wheelbase option. We unfortunately have winter tires on. I wish we had the summer tires, which are way bigger than these. I think these are 19 inches. We also have the seamless door handles. As soon as you swipe, they pop out, and these are also illuminated. And as soon as you lock the car, they move back in. We also have the rear axle steering coming with the S580E. I think we have like 10 degrees, turning the rear tire in the opposite direction to give us and reduce the turning circle, give us a more smooth drive, especially in the city. We have the charger port here of the 580, which allows you also charging with the DC charger. You see that? This is normal AC charger, and then below you can see that. And I think the normal charging is like 20 kilowatts, but you can also enable it to go for fast charging with 60 kilowatts. On the left hand side you can charge the car. On the right hand side you can fill up the car with gas right over here, but you have to unlock it from the inside. The rear tail light and the rear itself is S-Class. S580E, everything here finished in chrome. Beautiful tail lights here for the S-Class, and the exhaust, diffuser, everything finished in chrome, and the exterior paint makes the car look perfect. But now let's talk about the interior. Now we will be unlocking the door, also talking about the key, which is full finished in chrome with the white. It looks super special. Let's jump inside. Just a quick look here at the interior. We have the full red interior, cherry interior, which I'm a huge fan of. We'll be talking more about the interior when we drive it, but this is one of my favorite interior options, guys. AMG line also here on the steering wheel. We have the display here, and as soon as I step inside and close the door, watch the animation. There we go, welcoming us inside the S-Class. And then as soon as I start the ignition, you also have the ambient colors coming alive, obviously. The seat here, S-Class specific seat, also with a nice Kuschelkissen. Oh, I would die for a Kuschelkissen. These are the best. They feel so nice. The seats are ventilated, heated. That's actually it. Let's take it out for a drive now. Let's go. So we are now inside the all-new S-Class, the S580e, and today it's finally time to drive it, okay, as I promised you. As soon as we open and close the door, we have the ambient colors coming alive. Let me just start the ignition, and we also have this here. So I already have my destination set, and we are ready to go, starting up the S580. And as soon as I start it up, right now we don't have any charge left, but with the S580 you can actually drive up to 100 kilometers fully electric. It's a very nice thing because the car is a perfect daily driver. So we are starting up, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Put the seatbelts on. Let's go. So we are now on the move inside the new S580e, and something that I have to mention again, the S580e doesn't come with a 8-cylinder. The S580 comes with the 8-cylinder, but with the 580e we have the 6-cylinder and the hybrid unit. Now we will be driving onto the Autobahn, and hopefully it's not that crowded and unrestricted, so we can actually push it and I could demonstrate you the performance of this. The S580e is one of the best daily drivers, because the coolest thing about the S580 is you have up to 100 kilometers of electric range as it is in hybrid, and the best thing about it is that you can use these 100 kilometers to drive in the city, in your urban areas. But when you need a car for long distance travel, you can use the 6-cylinder engine, which is also very good. It's also the same engine as we have inside the S500. The drive inside is just so nice. You can also change the design here in the main menu. You can go with understated, then you can also go with exclusive. It also changed the design of the center display here, you see that, or with the normal classic one, which is literally a classic look. The navigation, as soon as I have like set my destination here, you have a cool overview of the navigation and the map, or you can also go with the assistance here. Right here you see we are following a car, and it also shows us the cars around, and we could probably also do the lane changing assist, and it will guide us through here. It's a very cool overview that we have. So guys, as the Autobahn is a bit crowded, I just want to show you the coolest features of the new S-Class. I have the lane keep assist on right now. Let me just do the lane switch assist. As soon as I do it, it helps me changing the lane. You can also see it here on the head-up display. Looks really cool and impressive. The car is really assisting you to change the lane as smooth as possible. You could even move your hands off the steering wheel, but at the end of the day it's still an assistant. It's not an autonomous driving. Therefore keep that in mind, guys. It's one of the most comfortable ride ever imagined. I mean, the S-Class itself is already one of the best drivers, and the S580 is doing so well right now. The suspension, the car, the seats, you know, you can just sit inside, just go ahead to comfort menu and start a massage. So easy. So there's something that I have to show you guys, and it's super impressive with the S580e, and it's the summary of our drive. Let me just show you the trip meter. There we go. So let's do from start. We drove in total 2,800 kilometers almost with this car, and the average consumption rate is 4.9 liters on 100 kilometers with an average speed of 55 kilometers an hour, and in total time of 50 hours spent inside the car. And you can also see with the EQ, it shows us how much we spent with the electric range. We had 1,300 kilometers fully electric using the hybrid, and it was from this 50 hours 35 hours, and in total the average consumption on the electric hybrid powertrain is 8.6 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, which is super impressive. One of the best when it comes to consumption of all S-classes, I think. Also from the start today, just 5.1 liter on 342 kilometers. Average speed 86 kilometers. This is pretty impressive, and in my eyes the S-Class is one of the best daily drivers. A total consumption of 4 to 5 liters, which is just so cool, guys. How do you like it? What do you think? So guys, it's unrestricted now. Let's floor it. Okay, like 200, but it's too crowded, guys. Unfortunately, I have to break it down again. But yet again, it's super comfortable. You don't even feel like driving above 200 kph here. You just have a bit of wind noises, but still a lot of noise cancellation in the inside. We even have double glasses here. Extremely quiet and smooth in the inside. Yeah, so guys, now it's up to you. Do you prefer the black steering wheel and the red leather as we have it here, and also here with the carbon look with the piano trim, or would you go for a cream, for the Neva gray, or maybe for the macchiato beige leather interior trim with also the beige steering wheel? If you ask me, guys, I would highly recommend you, if you go and get yourself an S-Class as a daily driver, this is the perfect spec. But if you liked bright interiors as much as I do, I would 100% tell you go for the cream. The macchiato beige is one of the best interior specs for the S-Class. I love it so much. And also with the wooden trim. Something that I also love about the S-Class is the iconic star that you can see here on the front. Like all the time you focus on the street, you always see the star. And I think this is one of the most iconic things that makes the S-Class so special. And I hope that they will keep it up for the future cars as well. So I'm starting another massage now, and yeah, finishing this video today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hope you like the S580e. Which car would you like to see next on my channel? So that's it for today's video. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.